Come and watch the GRASPhopper teach us something new today. Looking for a complete opinion writing unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In previous videos, you've learned about the parts of an opinion essay, brainstorming an opinion, writing reasons, adding examples, writing the parts of the introduction, and writing the parts of a conclusion. Throughout this video, you will learn about adding transition words. Let's begin. What are transition words? Transition words are words and phrases that link ideas together. They help paragraphs flow and make sense. Also, transition words signal to readers that a new or important idea is coming. When writing your opinion essay, there are specific transition words or phrases that you can use for different parts of the essay. What are transition words and phrases to use with reasons? Before you write your reasons, you can include one of the following transitions. Next, another reason, an additional reason, one reason, to start, first or second, one final reason, and lastly. It's important to include transition words to help make your paragraphs flow and to link the different reasons from your body paragraphs. Let's see reason transitions in action. Here is a reason that I used in my essay. Rock climbing is a good way to exercise because it makes you stronger. In order to help my reader know that this is a reason, I will add in the transition phrase, one reason that. Here's my new sentence. One reason that rock climbing is a good way to exercise is because it makes you stronger. What are transition words and phrases to use with examples? Before you write your example sentences, you can add one of the following transition words. For instance, also, additionally, in other words, for example, furthermore, in fact, another, firstly, or secondly. These transition words help the reader know when you are expanding on your reasons. It helps to make your writing flow within each paragraph, so the reader is able to follow along more easily. Let's see example transitions in action. Here is my example to support my reason that rock climbing makes you stronger. When you need to move on the rock wall, you use your upper, middle, and lower body muscles to propel yourself up the wall. I will add the transition, for example, to the start of the sentence, so a reader knows there are important details coming up. Here's my new sentence. For example, when you need to move on the rock wall, you use your upper, middle, and lower body muscles to propel yourself up the wall. You're ready to get started adding transition words and phrases. Be sure to watch all the opinion writing videos to help you learn how to write a strong opinion essay. Thanks for watching our teaching video on opinion writing transitions. Don't forget to follow GRASPhopper and shop our opinion writing units and products. Check the description for more.